The ocean is a vast and mysterious world, covering over 70% of the Earth's surface. Despite its importance to life on our planet, we know relatively little about what lies beneath its surface. One of the most intriguing areas of the ocean is the Twilight Zone, a mysterious region that extends from about 200 to 1,000 meters below the surface. In this video, we'll explore what makes the Twilight Zone so fascinating, and what we might find if we were to explore this uncharted territory. The Twilight Zone is named for its unique lighting conditions, where sunlight is scarce, and the darkness is punctuated by brief flashes of bioluminescent creatures. It's a place of extremes, with pressure and temperatures far beyond what humans can tolerate. Despite these challenges, the Twilight Zone is home to a rich diversity of life, including many species that are still unknown to science. One of the most fascinating aspects of the Twilight Zone is the phenomenon of vertical migration. Every night, millions of tiny creatures, such as zooplankton and krill, rise from the depths to feed on the abundant phytoplankton near the surface. As day breaks, they retreat back down into the depths to avoid predators. This daily migration is one of the largest movements of animals on the planet and is essential to the ocean's food web. The Twilight Zone is also a critical carbon sink, playing a crucial role in regulating the Earth's climate. Phytoplankton in the surface waters absorb carbon dioxide from the atmosphere, which is then passed on to zooplankton and other creatures in the Twilight Zone. When these creatures die, they sink to the seafloor, taking the carbon with them and sequestering it for thousands of years. Despite the Twilight Zone's importance, we know very little about this region of the ocean. Much of what we do know comes from studying the few organisms that have been brought to the surface, either by chance or through the use of specialized equipment. However, recent advances in technology are allowing us to explore the Twilight Zone in new ways, giving us a glimpse into this mysterious world. One of the most exciting technologies being used to explore the Twilight Zone is autonomous underwater vehicles, OVs. These robots can travel to great depths and take high-resolution images of the seafloor and the creatures that live there. OVs are also equipped with sensors that can measure temperature, salinity, and other parameters, giving scientists a better understanding of the physical conditions in the Twilight Zone. Another technology that is revolutionizing our understanding of the Twilight Zone is EDNA, environmental DNA sampling. This technique involves collecting water samples and analyzing the genetic material left behind by the organisms that live in the water. By analyzing this DNA, scientists can identify the species that live in the Twilight Zone without ever having to bring them to the surface. The use of OVs and EDNA sampling is already yielding exciting discoveries about the Twilight Zone. For example, a recent expedition to the Pacific Ocean used OVs to explore the depths of the Twilight Zone and discovered a new species of gelatinous animal that had never been seen before. The team also collected water samples and found evidence of many other previously unknown species living in the region. One of the most intriguing questions about the Twilight Zone is whether it could be a source of new medicines or other valuable resources. Many organisms in the Twilight Zone produce unique compounds that could have potential uses in medicine, agriculture, or industry. For example, some species of deep-sea sponges produce chemicals that have anti-cancer properties, while others produce enzymes. The Twilight Zone is a mysterious and largely unexplored region of the ocean that holds great potential for discovery and exploration. With advances in technology, we are now able to study this region in more detail than ever before and unlock the secrets that lie within. The creatures that inhabit the Twilight Zone have adapted to survive in extreme conditions, and studying them can provide valuable insights into how life on our planet has evolved and continues to adapt to changing environments. The Twilight Zone also plays a crucial role in the ocean's carbon cycle, which has implications for the health of our planet. As we continue to explore and study the Twilight Zone, it is important that we do so in a sustainable and responsible manner. We must prioritize the preservation of this fragile ecosystem and ensure that our exploration does not have harmful impacts on the creatures that call it home. The Twilight Zone represents a frontier of exploration and discovery, and the potential for what we could find in this unexplored world is vast. By investing in research and exploration of the Twilight Zone, we can unlock the secrets of the ocean and better understand our planet and its inhabitants. The vast and sprawling ocean, which is an integral part of the Earth's hydrosphere, covers over 70% of the planet's surface. The Pacific Ocean, spanning an area of approximately 63.8 million square miles, is the largest of the Earth's 5 oceans. Its sheer size makes it a crucial regulator of global weather patterns and the Earth's climate. The ocean is also home to the Mariana Trench, a deep-sea trench in the western Pacific Ocean, which is the deepest known part of the Earth's oceans. The trench has a depth of about 36,070 feet and is a prime location for scientific research and exploration. The ocean is teeming with life and is home to some of the most magnificent and awe-inspiring creatures on Earth, including the blue whale, which is the largest living organism on the planet. The Great Barrier Reef, located off the coast of Australia, is the world's largest coral reef system, spanning over 1,400 miles and comprising more than 2,900 individual reefs. The ocean also plays a vital role in maintaining the balance of life on Earth. It produces over half of the world's oxygen and acts as a natural carbon sink, helping to regulate the amount of carbon dioxide in the Earth's atmosphere. The ocean's ecosystem is incredibly diverse, and it is home to over 700 species of sea turtles, 20,000 species of fish, and countless other species of marine life. However, this complex web of life is under threat from human activities such as pollution, overfishing, and climate change. Despite its vastness, the ocean's saltwater is not drinkable by humans as it contains a high concentration of salt. However, seawater can be desalinated using various techniques, such as reverse osmosis, to provide a source of freshwater in areas with limited access to freshwater resources. Throughout human history, the ocean has played a crucial role in shaping and sustaining human societies. Many civilizations have relied on the ocean for food, transportation, and trade, and it remains a vital resource for many coastal communities around the world. The ocean is a vital component of the Earth's ecosystem and plays a crucial role in maintaining the balance of life on our planet. It is home to an astonishing diversity of life, and its immense size and depth offer limitless opportunities for exploration and scientific discovery. Thanks for watching. Please consider subscribing.